Good day, ma'am. I am Kimberly L. Cadeliña together with Michelle Petate. And today we will have a debate with the topic Genetically Food is Safe on Human Health. So Miss Petate will be the affirmative side and I will be the opposing side. To start, genetically modified foods are foods derived from organisms whose genetic material or the DNA has been modified in a way does not occur naturally through the introduction of a gene from a different organism. So the technology is often called modern biotechnology or gene technology, or sometimes genetic engineering.
Good day, Mom. I am Michelle Petate. So, foods containing genetically modified organisms are safe to consume. I favor genetically modified foods because I believe they can help eliminate poverty and hunger among smallholder farmers. GMO food are just as healthy and safe to eat as non-GMO food. So I favor GMO food because I've witnessed firsthand how it can enhance people's lives. GMO soybeans with better oils, for example, can be replaced oils containing trans fats. So since the introduction of GMO foods in the 1990s, research has shown that they are just as safe as non-GMO foods. So furthermore, GMO plants fed to farm animals are just as safe as non-GMO foods.
So, as the opposing side, GM food is not safe for human health because the application of it brings potential health risks. So, the transmission of antibiotic resistance, toxicity, and allergenicity are recognized as the main health impacts of GM foods that raise the most concern. So, some GMOs have modifications that render them to immune to particular antibiotics. So the DNA from these plants may theoretically be ingested by people or animals when they consume them. As a result, the individual or animal could also develop antibiotic resistance. According to Jennifer Timms, MSRDLD, a Piedmont clinical dietitian, GMOs are not natural and could never happen naturally. So GM food undermine the natural process of gene flow.
With due respect, or partly disagree with what we're saying, there is no data to indicate that consumption of GMO food is bad for human health. Over the 2 decades that GMOs has been on the market, there have been no occurrences of health issues due to genetically modified organisms. GMO foods are no more likely cause allergies. GMO foods are carefully studied before they are sold to the public to ensure they are safe as the foods we currently eat. The study shows that GMO foods do not affect you differently.
Well, nuts, wet, eggs, and dairy products are just a few of the food that many people have allergies to. So it's possible that some people may be allergic to or harmful to the protein products of newly inserted genes. So another issue is that since these crops are made to survive herbicides, more of the poisonous chemicals are sprayed on the plants, increasing the trace quantities of herbicides detected in food. Research suggests that GMO technology can encourage the development of weeds that are resistant to herbicides and result in a net increase in the use of herbicides, both of which are detrimental to crops. Due to their potential to lower crop productivity, this has led to even more Roundup being sprayed on crops to kill the resistant weeds. However, studies in the test tubes have connected glyphosate, the K chemical in Roundup, to a number of diseases, making them contagious and unsafe for human health.
So, in our conclusion, genetically modified foods have the ability to solve many of the world's hunger and malnutrition issues while also helping to maintain and conserve the environment through increased particularly in genetic, including microorganisms, plants, and animals. So, genetically modified foods have both beneficial and harmful effects. There are various advantages to genetically modified foods, including high yield, cold, drought, and salinity tolerance, insect resistance, herbicide, and disease resistance, nutritional improvement, medicinal, and phytoremediation functions. However, genetically modified foods have a number of harmful effects on living beings. So the disadvantages include environmental threats, health risks, economic difficulties, and legal issues.
So that could be all. Thank you for listening.